Today we are doing an at-home haul, and I'm so in love, and I saved $177 was taken off my bill. So if you're interested in hearing about that, then keep on watching. What's up, Flourishing fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Delores, and welcome to Flourish with Delores. On my channel, I teach you how to embrace your journey and remember that flourishing is about progress and not perfection, honey. So this was my first experience at home. I'm a home goods girl, and I couldn't find a large standing mirror in home goods. I don't know if it's due to what's going on in the world and there's low inventory, but I asked my friend Terry, shout out to you, for advice on where I can go that's similar. And the closest one next to me was 40 minutes away. So I took that road trip and decided to venture out and see what At Home has, and I am in love. So I always write a list before I go to the store, so I'm not all over the place getting distracted, spending more money than I need to. So I definitely knew I wanted to get this couch right behind me, and I'll show you guys how it looks. I was looking for window treatments for the bedroom. So this entire trip was for the bedroom. So I kept, as much as I saw some amazing stuff, I kept having to make myself focus. I'm going shopping for the bedroom. This is what we're trying to do right now. So I wanted a regular flower pot. I wanted some curtain rods, a small table to go right by this chair, and I wanted a painting over the bed. So let's see what I got. See if it matches up. So the first thing is this super cute pillow. A lot of the pillows I got, I'm still not sure where I'm gonna put them. So a lot of them are gonna be for throws for our bed, but one may go here, and then I got one for my office. Okay, so I cheated a little bit. So there's that pillow. Then there's this pillow. It's kind of a blush. You can't really see it too much on camera, but it's super cute. I'm like a tonal girl. I like all the tones. I'm not really into like bold pops of color. It's weird. I love seeing it in other people's houses, like the bold mustard color. But in my house, I like things to be pretty chill. I got two of these, really cute, to be a throw on the bed. Charles is gonna be like, "What do you need all these pillows for?" My husband. And then I think I'm gonna put this pillow in my office, in the office couch that I'm going to be getting. So I think it's cute. It's pink, goes in my style. Let's see what other pillows. I got this pillow, another throw for the bed. I love how it has this darker stripe in the middle. So trying to put a little bit of color into the room, because right now it's pretty much neutral colors. And you guys will see. Let me know, comment below. I'll probably do it. Definitely gonna do it, especially if you guys are interested. After this video, I'm gonna do a video putting everything together in the room and just designing it together. So definitely let me know if you're interested in watching that. All right, we're still on the pillows. Look at this pillow. Look at the textures. I love this pillow. I was hoping I could find two. First of all, why are throws so expensive? Comment below if you know why. Like, these throw pillows are so expensive, but what I'm gonna do for the living room, because we didn't have existing throw pillows in the bedroom, what I'll do when we get our living room couch is buy throw covers, like pillow covers that are similar to this style that I like, and then do that so it's a little cheaper. So I'll keep the pillows that we have on the couch. Look at this. How cute is that? I love it. I don't know if you guys could see the beading on this. So beautiful. This actually may go, no, I think we need something that has a little bit more color, like maybe this one over here on this couch behind me, or this one. We'll play with it. We'll see which one should go where. All right, what else do we have? So I wanted to add definitely a pop of color on the bed, because our comforter is white. So I got this little throw. I think it's gonna look really cute. I love pink. Charles is gonna love it too, I hope. But it not only is it pink, but it's kind of like a goldish pink. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's really pretty in person, and it's soft. This was like Christmas. I got this. I don't know where I want to put it in the bedroom. Maybe I'll have you guys help me, give me suggestions of where I should put it. I'll show you guys the bedroom, where I should put it in the bedroom. But I really loved it. I felt like it spoke to me. I'm thinking maybe above the closet door, or next to the TV. Yeah, or next to on my side of the bed. I'm not sure, but it's really cute. Ooh, I got this flower pot. So if you remember on my list, I was looking for a flower pot that's going to go right next to my snake plant, or my snake plant's going to go in it. And I just think it's cute. Adds a nice white into the room, because our dresser and nightstands are like a darker brown. So I definitely want to add some white and light colors. Then I got this table. See if I can lift it, but if not, I'll show you guys a different angle of it. Got this little side table to go in the corner with this couch. Let me tell you guys a secret. Charles has dropped one too many crumbs in the bed. So have I. But I got this little eating area for us to eat if we want to eat in the bedroom while we're hanging out. So this is what this table and couch is for. But honestly, also our room is just so long that it is nice to have something in this corner. So I'm feeling it. I'm really excited about this area. Okay, so I'm picking up the camera so I can show you guys and I don't have to lift it. But we got this standing mirror, which is really the reason why I went to At Home. This is the brown furniture I was talking about in the house. So then I got this standing plant, which is super cute. And I'm going to put it in this corner over here. I feel like that corner needs some love. So I got all of that stuff, and I was going to the cash register like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so expensive. Charles is gonna give me a mean side eye. And I get rung up and I see the price, and she's like, and I was just talking to her about like how we just bought a house, blah blah. And then she gives me her employee discount, and y'all guess, just write in the comments before I say it, guess how much you think was taken off of our bill. Oh wait. $177.84. So when I got home and Charles was like, what damage did you do? Because I posted on Instagram my cart, and then I told him how much we saved. He was cool. But he is wondering why we have so many pillows. So there are a couple more things that I want to purchase for the bedroom. I want to get some curtains. I want to get curtain rods, and then a portrait to go over our bed. So if you're interested in that, definitely keep on watching, and let's go shopping. Okay, so I went to my office and was trying to figure out this whole screen recording thing. It was taking too long. So I was like, you know what? We'll just shop on my phone right here, and I'll screen record that. So the first thing we're going to look for is curtains. So we need some curtains. Charles does an overnight shift, maybe like 1 to 2 once a month. So it's really important for us to have blackout curtains, so when he gets home, he can go to sleep without it being super bright. And we had some in our old apartment. Definitely check out our apartment tour video. But for this room, because we have 3 windows and I want to elongate the window, I want to look for some 96-inch curtains, and I just need more panels. So I'm like, might as well get some new ones, different ones. And then I'm just probably either going to sell the old curtains on OfferUp or repurpose them in another room. So I am going to go to Walmart, where I got my last curtains, because they were good and really affordable. So let's see what we can find at Walmart. Okay, so I like these Eclipse Samara Blackout Energy Efficient. So I typed in blackout thermal curtains. I think one, it helps really keep the cold air. Our windows they're okay, but I feel like they could be insulated better. So I really like this. I like the color. They don't have a 94-inch in this color. Dang. What other colors do they have it in? What about white? What do you guys think about white in this room? I mean, the bed sheets are white, so that may be too much. And the last time I had white blackout curtains, they didn't black out as well. All right, so let's see what other options we have. All right, this is from Sunzero Duran. I don't know. Let me stop trying to pronounce these names. But these are 100% blackout. They do have the 95 inch. So the nice thing about the 95 inches, you can create that like huge window look by putting the curtain rods really high, and then they still fall down to the floor. So that's why I'm looking for 95 inches. And actually our other curtains were 84 inches. So it was hard to have that effect. Definitely want a cream look. I like this color. Yeah, I like this color. I wish it was a little lighter, but you know what? I can't have everything super light. So I think I may go with this, but let's see what else they have. Cedar orange isn't bad. What do you guys think? Because the light fixtures in the bedroom are kind of a goldish. So maybe that'll look good. And then I don't know if you guys can see the wall behind me kind of looks a little like goldish orangish. Ooh, I don't know now. This is a nice color. And then they have the white. So white is also an option. What if I mixed it? What if I did like one white panel, one cedar orange, one tan? That could be an option. Let's see what else we have. All right, so let's look for some curtain rods. I'm definitely going to be thinking about the color for the panels, but I really do like the ones I found. I'm simple, so it doesn't take me too long to find what I want because I just want something simple. So for curtain rods, I'm going to Etsy because I want them to be creative and different looking. And oh my God, y'all, do you see this? I really like this. I love that the rod is clear. This is nice. I really, really like this. I wonder how you pin it on though. I don't know if I have to have like a specific type of curtain. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna mess me up. I don't know, but I really like this. I'm looking at the cylinder plus end cap, the 2-inch end cap. But one of the things I'm going to need to know is how long is their rod, because the window where we have 2 windows back to back, I'm going to need a rod that is 115 inches at least if I want it to extend. So I'm gonna have to message them and ask how long their rod is. And then let's see what else. I really like this brass rod. I love how the end has that white marble look to it. I think that'll pair really well with our bed sheets or bedspread. They do list sizes and I could get 110. This is expensive. Y'all see this price? Okay. I don't know. That's expensive. 120 and it's just one? Made out of what? This is expensive. How much was the other one? 89. Dang. But the problem is I don't know how long this is. All right, we're gonna pray on that and keep looking. The other thing I really want to get is the portrait to go over our bed. I really love this. It says, and so together they built a life they loved. I really love it. And then we can customize it, put our wedding date, put our names on here. So I just think it's super cute. I think I want the white wood one, this one, but we definitely have to measure above the bed to make sure that it's scaled to size. So we don't want something too little. So definitely we'll measure the, what size we would need because it comes, yes. So we're probably going to need the largest size over a king bed, but we'll do that measurement. But that's it. I hope you had fun shopping with me, doing the at-home haul with me. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe and hit the thumbs up button so I know that you are interested. Thank you so much for the support. Tune in to the next video when we put all of this together in the bedroom so you can see how everything gets decorated. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.